Hello, guys. Thank you once again for joining me on this second video, whereby I promise we're gonna use this indicator to exactly tell us which market is tradable. So, before I go deeper in, I want to first ask just to focus on something. We all know that financial market is running following a cycle of three phases. The first phase is exactly what we call contraction phase. The second one is the expansion phase, and the third one is the trending phase. That is the phase that all of us want to be in. But before knowing where exactly are we have to see the structure of our Apex market structure pro. There is box. About a box, there is a white line coming out the box. There is green line, there is blue lines, and there is red lines. You will see lines are straight until when it's broken, then it's this way as you are saying actually. You know what the BOS means, you know what the CHOCH means, and you can see them in action here. But our video wants us to learn how to detect which market is tradable soon, now, or in few days. So I selected USD Japanese yen, and the first chart is an Heikenchi candle on day one. Remember, if you detect that your day one starting the trend from the early stage of the trend in the daily candle, what can it be when you go to 15 minutes? Then when you are in 15 minutes, you will be just playing because there is too many 15 minutes in one day. There is too many minutes, 15 minutes in 5 hours. So let us have a look on daily. First, we have a box. Let us talk about the last box that we heard. Once the price broke out the box, it was the end for the contraction phase and the expansion phase started. When you are in the expansion phase is exactly where the market makers and institutions are looking for a discount so that they will be able to get out when they will be up on their trend side. So it's exactly where they are accumulating liquidity, and it's where most of retailer traders loses money. So have a look here. Once the price broke out the box, we started by seeing swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing high, and then the price just broke the box. The level we are seeing in the middle, it's what we call the average price. This is the magnet for the price. Is the middle price which divides the buyer and the seller. This line is very powerful. Every price is before moving, they must test this line. So in the bigger time frame like daily, once you have such confirmation that the price have really break the average price, you have to still wait another one candle to confirm that actually we are really on the buying side. So we have finished with the swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, and the trending phase have just began. Now, if you are if you have detected that this is very powerful on daily, that's why in my software I built a timer that is showing you exactly how long remain or after how many hours or minutes or days you can go and see the next candle. Like here, we still have 6 hours, 8 minutes to have the next candle that is going to really confirm that yes, we are really confirming the bull side. So you can see in the software here in your right side, it's showing you the direction bias by saying daily is bull, 4 hours is bull. So you have the direction bias, which means you are not going to play against the trend or against the direction bias. Let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, let us see what happens. Our last box was here. Today we are just looking on the box and the average price line. Now, once the price break the box, it went up. They lie to retailer traders the market is just going and then it comes down. While the price came back down, it again went back on the average price. This time it's break it and then return to test it before starting the move. As I said, this is really a magnet. Now, you can see that the 4 hours is confirming as a bull because the software detects that the market is on buying side in 4 hours. Now, when the daily is confirmed bull, 4 hours confirmed bull, now you have power using this indicator in your 15 minutes. What are you gonna do in 15 minutes? Remember, in the market, wherever the trend is just like going on bull, but remember, the market always come back in the opposite direction to take the stop loss pool of people. Remember, this stop loss pool, I call them liquidity lines. Those liquidity lines, once is taken, then the price continues way in the trend side or in the direction bias. So just look for yourself. Every pullback, every reversal against the direction bias is your bigger entry. Every reversal, and here it's not even a empty reversal, you have a sign. When the CHOCH, the changing of character, appears, you are already alert that please pay attention. Soon this one is going to change character, is going to change side. And when the BOS appears, you have another full confirmation that now we are moving. And then you have your better entry, and then you move. Each time you have the CHO, and you have this sign here, the yellow one, remember this price is going to change the character a little bit, and then it's going to continue if this changing of character was against the direction bias. So each time the market reverse, you have a better entry. Each time the market takes the liquidity line, takes the stop loss of people, that is exactly where people is going to feel pain and get out the market. The price is going exactly to move. But you have also see there is arrows. Let me just talk about one of them. See this arrow. All arrows you can see here are the are, the entry point, but not your entry point. These are the entry point that the software is detecting the retailer traders entry. Retailer traders always enter in the opposite side and also late. As you can see this, they get in the market very late. And once you see the red line in the opposite of the direction bias, note that the institution and smart money they are about to get in because they cannot buy if there is no sellers. So as a retailer is selling, they are gonna buy that and move by taking their stop losses. Remember, look here. Exactly when the retailer traders discover that, oh, this market really is going up, it's already late. So this move is already going to end, and then they are getting in. As now they are buying, they are gonna sell for them for some little reverse, and then the markets will continue. But don't mind, don't mistaken. Sometimes retailer traders are also aligned with the trend. That is the time you see the trend too much long, and you can see them also pointing at the same side with the market. So better to be the one who is buying early than the one buying late. So each reversal is going to get you in. Each reversal is going to get you in. Once you see the liquidity line is taken, there is some reversal come in. So that is what I wanted just to show actually. So this market is not tradable, as you have seen it actually as now. Even our judge is saying, oh my God, you have only $6 to lose. But remember, there is a liquidity line down here. Before this market really move, this price must come and take this liquidity, this stop loss pool here. When those people they will feel pain here, they're gonna get out of the market. This market then is going to move. And all those liquidity line they are up here. That is where you manage your take profit as well, because once the price will move from here, it will first come and test this average line price here. Once cross this price, they're gonna take this liquidity line, they're gonna go take this liquidity line, and so on. That is the small I can reveal to you actually for this software. I hope you buy it. I hope you join us in C-Trade chat for other much explanation of this software. But here we have the pro version, which is the agent version, and I have showed you in the video which just in this playing list. You can see the video that came just before this one, showing you that we have even asked the Claude to check using this indicator and seeing the market from inside CTrader and see if we can trade here. The answer was no, you have to wait. So you can use Claude to train you. You can use Claude so that you can trade together, or you can trade yourself with his support as analyst, or you can analyze together and trade together, or you can even give him power to trade for you. But this Apex market structure agent or market Apex market structure pro doesn't trade for you. It's just an indicator showing you the roadmap to help you navigate better. So as you can see, it's much powerful. Changing of character, once it appears, you already know that actually we are going. But you also know that you have a white line here, which is a magnet, that if the price starts moving from here, he will face test this place here. So if you enter here in 15 minutes, your first taking profit will just be at this at this line here. So according to C-Trader technology, you don't even have to get out the market. You can just do what? You can just take the half of your profit and let your profit run if that market was as you have seen it. But this is a little bit of what I wanted to expose here. But before leaving, let us just change here by saying, let's check on gold a little bit. Let's check on gold a little bit and see what is happening there in 15 minutes. So it's exactly same thing as I was telling you. As you can see, the accuracy of the market. Don't mind about the transparent line you are seeing behind. That is exactly the data that the artificial intelligence that you connect to C-Trader is really reading your market or reading your chart. Thank you guys. I hope you will come back to the next video. As we are moving, we are going to expose this indicator up to the 100%. For now, we haven't yet shown its power yet. Thank you. See you soon.